So on today's video, we're gonna be putting on the Borla exhaust on. Right now we're just gonna jack up the car. So basically, once you got the car jacked up, you're gonna need 2 14s. This piece off. Then you do the same thing with this side. Basically, I just took it out as one whole piece, just so it's easier. I'm gonna put this side on. Sheesh. No. Sheesh.
What else you have to do on it?
Alright guys, backup arrived.
For how much?
So I picked this up for 300 bucks.
And we're just gonna clean it and make sure there's no leaks or anything, put it together and then slap it on, see how it sounds.
Yep.
Now we're just gonna carry it over the car and do the basic install. It's pretty heavy, I don't know, you should have got that team and stuff.
I know, well, I'm not rich.
Neither am I. You're scratching your tips from dragging too much.
That's fine. You just polish it out.
Huh?
Can you just polish it out?
Yeah, for sure. I think something like that.
Huh?
Something like that. What happened to the hangers back here?
I don't know. That's what I was saying. I was like, I seen how the hanger's back there, but no hanger.
What do you mean?
Exhaust.
What do you mean? Did you?
Huh?
You get the mid-pipe hanger in?
I don't have one.
What do you mean you don't have one?
I mean, the car has one, but not the exhaust.
So you gotta wiggle them off. You don't have to. But I guess it'll work. Yeah, you gotta like leverage this way. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Keep going, keep doing that. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Alright, do that again. There you go. It's not like that, you gotta get it moved first and then it's not the first. Yeah, that's shit.
That's one didn't work anyways.
You put it on. No slides right on. Yeah, so basically now you just have to make sure that the angle's right and then you gotta put the hangers in. Is that good?
Yeah.
Can you get it? Okay. How's that all? You got a king? Come on. Push it, push it. You need lube or no? Ah.
Anyway.
Now wiggle it, make sure it doesn't move.
Well, it kind of hurt my ears.
Fire it up. Alright, rev it. What?
Sheesh.
Sounds pretty sick.